Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, most gracious and most merciful. Excellency for Abi Hanif and Umida as the director Pesantren Sport Kemla. Abi Hanif Ida, honorable all my teacher, all my family, and all my friends. My name is Azza Ketanjali. I'm from 10th class high school. MA Al-Quran Al-Banifida. How are you today? Alhamdulillah, powerful, excellent, yes, Allahu Akbar. And I want to present in imagination math, and the title is Sneeze Part 2. For the first is etiquette of sneeze in Islam is Assalamualaikum, and then rewards by sneezing, and then grace of Allah and then grace of Allah, say Alhamdulillah. For the second is how to sneeze properly is candles for this.
It's gonna be the best day of my
control
life.
with tissue. And your next tip is wash your hand, and then different types of sneeze and heads great for sneeze. Gak jelas tulisannya. And then louder than others, and then others reason of sneeze.
It's gonna be the best day of my
Different
life.
stimuli are together the sounds of sneezes, and the last is far brings in the hand sign. Jelas ya? Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.